new thing. I just don't feel like doing this shit.
Yeah, first down, hard way.
Number 5, Solomon Lewis on the carry. He takes it out to first down for the Bullfrogs.
Woo! Hey, Macarena.
Bullfrogs!
Number 5, Solomon Lewis on the carry. He's tackled by number 14, Jonathan Juarez.
I forgot they were going to do their eyes today.
Looks like a 1-yard gain on the play. Second down and 9 for the Bullfrogs.
Yeah, I know.
5 yards. Macarena.
Looks like it's a false start on the Bullfrogs. It's going to make it second down and 14 at the 43-yard line.
Can you make it answer your call? So I can see the girls back there.
Go suit up, Steve.
Did we have to jump the fence?
Go offense!
Come on, Bullfrogs!
Go, 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 go! Oh.
Number 5, Solomon Lewis on the carry. He picks up about 8 yards on the play. Should be a third down and 4 for the Bullfrogs.
6 yards. Okay, thank you.
Number 5, Solomon Lewis on the reception. He's going to be just shy of a first down. Should be fourth down and 2 for the Bullfrogs.
Come on, offense! Hey, Macarena. Let's do this.
Pitch to number 8, Raekwon Williams. He's going to be tackled for no gain. Bobcats take over, first and 10.
Let's go, defense!